Hello everyone. Welcome to the next lecture on the CSIR Net Mathematics 2025. Today I will explain you how you can solve the linear algebra questions again with the help of the fully shortcut tricks. Myself Dr. Harish Garg. You can follow my YouTube channel where you can find the playlist of the CSIR UGC Net. You can see I had uploaded the previous lectures on the CSIR Net 2025 solutions such as the partial, real, calculus, differential equation and many more available in this playlist. Also, you can see the GATE 2025 mathematics solutions. But make sure students, if you already watch my last minute revision lecture on the linear algebra, then you can solve each question in a very simple manner. Once again, I requested you can subscribe my YouTube channel and follow all these 300 plus videos so that you can qualify the exam in a very simple manner. Now, in this lecture, I will cover all those linear algebra questions which has the question ID 412, ID 4107, 4108, 4111 and so on. Fine. How you can solve this question in a very simple manner. So before that, once again, I will give you the simplest tips. Fine. Whenever you will see the question is related to the matrix, whenever the question is related to the matrix, you can solve the problem with the help of the eigenvalues and with the help of rank of the matrix always. एक बात हमेशा याद रखिए बच्चे, जब भी आपको किसी भी क्वेश्चन में मैट्रिक्स का नाम दिखाई दे जाए, फाइंड और मैट्रिक्स गिवन हो जाए, सबसे पहली प्रेफरेंस आप आइगन वैल्यूज और रैंक में से दीजिए. अगर आप क्वेश्चन को इस तरह से सॉल्व कर पाए, और डेफिनेटली कर पाओगे, एवरी क्वेश्चन यू कैन सॉल्व विद द हेल्प ऑफ द मैट्रिक्स such as the eigenvalues and the rank. Now you can see I will solve each questions with the help of the eigenvalues and the rank if the matrix is given to you. First question. Now consider the R vector space where V is the linear transformations defined by here. Can you find the dimension of the V? How many unknown elements are there? 3. So the dimension is my 3. Therefore the capital T is my 3 cross 3. Fine, because this has the dimension 3, this has the dimension 3. Now what are the basis element? Basis element is 1, x square. So firstly I can choose the value of the f is 1. Then this value will be 1 plus 0. That is my 1. So constant is 1. Rest values are my 0. Second basis is my x. If I choose the value of the x, then this result will be x plus 1. So 1 is my constant, coefficient of the x is 1 and this is my 0. If I consider the third element, that is the x square, then it will be x square and the derivative of the x will be 2x. So it will be x, coefficient of the x is 2x, x square will be 1 and 0. Is it fine? Now you can see this is my matrix, and always remember whenever you will see the matrix, you can find the eigenvalues firstly. Can you find the eigenvalues of the T? It is a diagonal matrix or upper and lower triangles. So it will be my 1, 1, 1 are the eigenvalues of the T. Can you find the eigenvalue of the T cube as per the given statement? Again it is a 1, 1, 1. Eigenvalue of the T square is also 1, 1, 1. And if I put the name is T cube minus 3t square plus of 3t. Can you find the eigenvalues of this? Again you can see it's a 1, 1 and 1. If you substitute 1 minus 3 plus 1, again a 1 and so on. And then what is the eigenvalue of the b raised to power 2025, which is also be 1, 1 and 1. So clearly say if you multiply this by x element, your answer is always be the x. So x plus 1 can never be true, factorial can never be true. So only the A option is the right answer of the problem. Fine. This is the first method how you can solve this problem with the help of the eigens value. I will tell you one more method. I hope you can enjoy this eigenvalue concept. Fine. I hope you can also like and comment on the video. Can you write the characteristics equation of the T? Because the eigenvalues are my 1, 1, 1, it is my lambda minus 1 cube. This is my characteristics equation. So if I write in terms of x cube minus 3 lambda square plus 3 lambda minus 1 is equal to 0. And by using the Cayley-Hamilton theorem, I can write this is my matrix A cube minus 3t square plus 3t, which is equal to I. Now, if you consider the power 2025, then I of 2025 is 1. So that means this value is my identity. If you multiply both sides by x, it will be my x. Again, A is my right answer of the problem. Fine. For more detail how you can solve the problems related to the matrix, you must watch about my PY question of the matrix as well as PY question of the rank of the matrix. Okay, look at this next question. Consider the bilinear transformation AB where A is the matrix. Now you can see this is the matrix. So I can solve this problem with the help of the eigenvalues or with the help of the rank. So firstly, A is the matrix associated with the bilinear form. So can you write the matrix? There are the pair of the x. This is my x1, x2, x3, x4. This is my y1, y2, y3, y4. Now can you write the element x1, y3? This is 1. Rest elements are 0. x2, y4. This element is 1. Rest values are 0. Minus x3, y1. This is minus 1. Rest values are 0. Minus x4, y2. These values are 0. Now, can you find the eigenvalues of this matrix? Because once you know the matrix, you can easily find the eigenvalues. Fine. Now, there are the two blocks. What is the eigenvalue of this case? Minus 1, minus 1. Can you find the eigenvalue of this case? It is my plus 1, plus 1. These are the eigenvalues of my A. So now look at that. What is the determinant of the A? It is the product of the eigenvalue. It is 1. He said 0. First option cancel. Determinant of A is minus 1. This matrix is all. This second option is also cancelled. B of x comma x. Firstly, you can find the value of the x comma x. It will be x1, x3, fine, plus x2, x4 minus x3, x1 minus x4, x2. It is non-zero for all the non-zero values of the x. That's wrong. If you simply choose the value of the x is my 1, 1, 1 and 1. What is the answer of this B of x comma x? It will be 0. So but he said non-zero. That option is cancelled. Only left behind, that is my D is the right answer. But how? You can see for every x is a non-zero. I can choose any of the x which is a non-zero. Let's say 1, 0, 0, 0. Fine. There exists a y such that b of x comma y will be 0. So can you choose the value of the y? So you can see what is the b of x comma y. x2 will be 0, x3 will be 0, x4 will be 0. So it is my x1 is my 1, that is y3. So can you find the value of the y? Yes, you can choose any number. The y3 component must be 0. So then it will be 0. So yes, there exists. So the right answer of the problem is D is my right answer. I hope you can like and comment on the video as well. Okay, look at this another one. Again, it's a functions. Fine. And your target is to find the dimensions. Can you find the dimension of the U? It is a span of the 3 elements. So dimension of the U is 3. Now your target is to find the dimension of the V. V is the collection of all those mappings from U to R. Fine. So can you find the what is the dimension of the U? 3. What is the dimension of R over R? What is the dimension of the R over R is 1. So therefore, what is the dimension of the V? Dimension of the V will be dimension of the U multiply dimension of the R over R. So that will be 3 into 1. So the answer is 3. So V is infinite dimension. That's wrong. V is infinite dimension. That's wrong. Dimension of the V is my fine. Now dimension of the W. Dimension of the W is collection of all those elements of the V. So dimension of the V is 3. There is only one condition. So you can subtract one element. So that will be 2 is my right answer of this problem. So C is my right answer. You can see there is no कितना समय लगेगा आपको solve करने के लिए, maximum 15 seconds. Fine. For more detail, you can watch my lecture on the dimension of the vector space. You can watch my this lecture, dimension of the vector space. You can watch my this lecture, dimension of the vector space. Okay, look at this next one. Again, you can see this is my matrix. So I can solve this problem with the help of the eigenvalue. You have to choose the A, B, C from the real such that the product will be 1. So I can choose all the elements to be 1. So what is my A? A will be 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. Fine. So can you find the eigenvalues? Clearly say each row has the sum 1. So one eigenvalue will be my 1. Now you have to choose the two eigenvalue in such a way that trace will be 0. And can you find the determinants? What is the determinant of this? Is a -1, 0, -1. Determinant is my 1. So B option is the cancel out. So can you find the eigenvalues? I can use the A minus lambda I. It will be minus lambda 1, 0, 0, minus lambda 1, 1, 0, minus lambda. Fine. So what is the determinant of this? It's a minus of lambda. Lambda square minus 0, minus 1, 0, minus 1, which is equal to 0. So that will be minus lambda cube plus 1 is equal to 0. That give you lambda cube minus 1 is 0. So the eigenvalues are 1 omega omega square. 1 omega omega square are the eigenvalue of the A. Can you find the eigenvalues of the B? So you can see if it is a 1, 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. If it is omega, then it's omega plus omega square plus omega cube. Omega cube is my 1. So the answer is 0 because we all know this value will be 0. If it is omega square, omega 4 will be omega cube into omega, that is omega, plus omega 6. Omega 6 is my 1. Again, this answer will be 0. So can you find the determinant of the B? Determinant of B will be 0. So A, first option is also cancel out. Now can you find the rank of the B? Because there are the two 0 elements. So that means the rank is my 1. Rank of the B is my 1. But he said 2. So the only left option is fine. But here is the B square. Can you find the eigenvalue of the B square? Eigenvalue of the B square is 9, 0, 0. And since there are the two 0 elements, one non-zero elements, rank of the B square is my 1. And you can see D is my right answer of the problem. देखिए बच्चे हर क्वेश्चन मैं आपको आइगन वैल्यू से ही सॉल्व कर रहा हूं. जब भी आपको मैट्रिक्स दिखाई दे जाए हमेशा आइगन वैल्यू को प्रेफर करें. मैं हर वीडियो में आपको कहता हूं. फाइन. बट चॉइस आपकी है, आपको अडॉप्ट करनी है मेरी अप्रोच, नहीं करनी इट्स ऑन योर चॉइस. बट मेरे टारगेट यही है कि आपको इजीएस्ट से इजीएस्ट वे एक्सप्लेन करा जाए. चलिए फिर से ये मैट्रिक्स है, आइगन वैल्यू से ही सॉल्व करेंगे इसे भी. फाइन. A V is a non-zero vectors that lies in the orthogonal complements. What is the orthogonal complement means? That is a, instead of writing A, if I say A dot B will be 0. Orthogonal complements with the row space. Row space is my, that means 2, 2, 7. Dot product of the V is my 0. 3, 1, 4 with the dot product is my 0. That is the definition of the orthogonal complement. So I can write in terms of the matrix 2, 2, 7, 3, 1, 4. Fine. This is V which is equal to 0, 0. Now your target is to find the value of the V. V means A, B, C. Fine. So A, B and C. Now I can convert into the row reduced echelon form. It is 2, 2, 7. Fine. A, B, C, which is 0 and 0. So I can subtract them. It will be 2 minus 6 minus of 2. 8 minus, it's a minus 13 over 2. Fine. 0 minus 0 is 0. For more calculation, I can add R1 plus R2. So this number will be my 0. Fine. This number will be my 14 minus 13. It's 1 over 2. So from the first equations, I can say 2a plus c over 2 is my 0. A will be minus c over 4. From this equation, b will be your minus 13 over 2 times c. Is it fine? Then your target is to find a plus b plus c. So if you, sorry, 13 by 4 is a twice of b, is a 13 by 4. So if you add them plus c, it will be minus 10 over 4 into c. So your absolute value will be 10 over 4 into c. Now what is the value of the c? All are my integers. You can see what is the minimum value of the c. You can choose one, so that a will be integer. C must be my 4. The minimum value of the c is my 4. Fine. So if you c is 4, this number will be my 10 is the right answer. Or otherwise, or you can substitute the value of the c. It says c over 4 is my a. So it is my 10 of a. Absolute value is my 10 of a. And what is the minimum value of the a as the integer? A will be my 1. So that means the c, b is my right answer of the problem. तो देखिए कितना आसान है, सिर्फ आपको मैट्रिक्स का कंसेप्ट समझना है. इसलिए बच्चों मैं बार बार कह रहा हूं कि आप ये वाला लेक्चर जरूर सुनिए, मैट्रिक्स एंड रैंक ऑफ द मैट्रिक्स. ओके, अगर आपने नहीं सुना है फिर सुनिए, अगर सुना हुआ है दोबारा सुनिए, ताकि आप अच्छे से लर्न कर पाइए. कमेंट करके बताइए कितने लोगों ने ये लेक्चर सुना है और आपको बेनिफिट मिला है. ओके, ये सेम क्वेश्चन मैंने आपको रियल एनालिसिस की वीडियो में भी अपलोड करा है, लेकिन वहां पे थोड़ा सा मेरे से मिस्टेक हो गया. फाइन, तो इसलिए मैं इसको दोबारा से कर रहा हूं. क्या शॉर्टकट ट्रिक्स बताई थी मैंने? अगर f इज द मैपिंग फ्रॉम a टू b such that cardinality of a is n, cardinality of the b is my m, then the number of the 1 maps is my m p n. यहां तक तो बिल्कुल सही बताया था. तो ये मैपिंग आपकी a से b है. तो व्हाट इज द कार्डिनलिटी ऑफ दिस केस? 7. कार्डिनलिटी ऑफ दिस इज माय 10. सो इट्स ए 10 p7. और आपके पास फॉर्मूला क्या आता है? n p r का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? n फैक्टोरियल ओवर n माइनस r फैक्टोरियल. सो दिस विल बी 10 फैक्टोरियल डिवाइडेड बाय 3 फैक्टोरियल. वहां पे इस रियल एनालिसिस की वीडियो में मैंने गलती से इसको 10 फैक्टोरियल ओवर 7 फैक्टोरियल टिक कर दिया था. तो फॉर्मूला दिस इज माय, जल्दबाजी में करने के चक्कर में गलत हो गया, पर राइट आंसर इज माय सी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. तो काइंडली करेक्ट, अगर आप वो वीडियो देख रहे हो, इट इज नॉट ए क्वेश्चन ऑब्जेक्शनेबल. कहीं आप इसको ऑब्जेक्ट में डाल दो क्वेश्चन की आंसर की गलत है. फाइन. n फैक्टोरियल ओवर n माइनस r फैक्टोरियल. चलिए अगला क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. दिस इज अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन. V is a R vector space of the 5 cross 5. Can you find the dimension of the V? It is 5 cross 5. It's a 25. Is it fine? Then S is the element collection of all those elements of AB. Again मैट्रिक्स की बात हो रही है. फाइन. मैं फिर भी रैंक और आइगन वैल्यू से ही सॉल्व करूंगा. फाइन, दोनों में से किसी एक से भी. सो AB माइनस BA, दिस इज द कलेक्शन ऑफ एलिमेंट्स. ए और बी आपके कहां से मिलेगा? इट्स अ 5 क्रॉस 5 मैट्रिक्स. देन W is the subspace of the V spanned by the S. W is the subspace of V spanned by this S. Fine. Okay. Capital T is the mapping from V to R. तो पहले इसकी, बिकॉज ये डायमेंशन के ऊपर है, मैं फिर कह रहा हूं डायमेंशन के लिए आप ये वाला लेक्चर सुनिए. डायमेंशन के लिए, सॉरी, डायमेंशन डायमेंशन ऑफ द वेक्टर स्पेस, ये लेक्चर सुनेंगे आप, आपको मजा आएगा लेक्चर में भी। इसकी डायमेंशन कितनी है 25, डायमेंशन ऑफ द आर इज 1, तो इसका मतलब इस मैट्रिक्स का साइज कितना होगा, दिस मैट्रिक्स साइज इज 1 क्रॉस 25। अब ये स्केयर मैट्रिक्स नहीं है तो आइगन वैल्यू तो मैं नहीं निकाल पा रहा इसकी, तो मैं रैंक से सॉल्व कर लेता हूं इसे। तो रैंक ऑफ द मैट्रिक्स कितना आएगा, मिनिमम वैल्यू इज माई 1। अगर रैंक 1 है तो नलिटी कितनी आएगी इसकी 25 माइनस 1 बाय यूजिंग द रैंक नलिटी थ्योरम। अगर नलिटी 24 है तो कर्नल ऑफ द टी कितना हो जाएगा आपका, अभी डायमेंशन बेसिकली ऐसा ही आएगा ना डायमेंशन। फाइन, नाउ अब आपको एस के डब्ल्यू देखना है, डब्ल्यू इसके डायमेंशन निकाल लेते हैं, डायमेंशन ऑफ डब्ल्यू निकाल लेते हैं कितना आएगा। पहली बात तो ये है सबस्पेस ऑफ द वी है, तो वी का डायमेंशन कितना है 25। इस प्रॉपर्टी को देखकर कुछ दिमाग में आता है, ए बी माइनस बी ए, और कैपिटल टी कैसी ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन है ट्रेस के ऊपर, तो अगर आप इसका ट्रेस निकालो तो कितना आएगा, ट्रेस ऑफ ए बी माइनस ट्रेस ऑफ बी ए, तो ये हमेशा ही जीरो होता है, ट्रेस ऑफ ए बी एंड ट्रेस ऑफ द बी ए इज ऑलवेज सेम। तो इसका मतलब क्या हुआ, इसका मतलब क्या हुआ, दिस कंडीशन इज, एक एडिशनल कंडीशन आपको साथ में ऑटोमेटिकली इंपोज हो गई, ट्रेस ऑफ दिस एस इज माई जीरो। तो कितनी एडिशनल कंडीशन इंपोज हुई है, दैट इज ओनली वन एडिशनल कंडीशन, आई कैन सब्ट्रैक्ट देम, इट विल बी माई 24। नाउ you can see that dimension of the W, dimension of the kernel, both are my same. So what does it means, W is nothing but my kernel of the T. So you can see the first option is the correct, it is a proper, you can see it's a not equal to, so it's a cancel, again it is a not equal to, cancel, cancel, so A is my right answer of this problem. You can see that it's a very simple question of the linear algebra. Only concept is whenever it's a matrix, solved by the eigenvalues or the rank. In this case, it is not a square matrix. I can find the rank of the matrix, find the nullity, and hence the dimension of the kernel. And because this is a matrix of the AB minus BA, it has the property over the trace, it will be the 0. So that means the dimension 1 dimension will be less than of the dimension of the V. So I hope you can like and comment on this video as well, if you feel that this video is a very easy for you and easily understandable. We will see the next lecture very soon on the complex analysis. I hope till then you can simply like, share and comment on this video. Happy learning always. Best of luck, students.